Hello and welcome back to this week's MSAB Monday. We're taking a look through the capture the flag files once again, and we're looking through these whilst showing you some of the improvements that have been added into the latest version of XAMN. So I'm going to start by going to chat, which I'm selecting from my categories from the main case overview page. Now in chat there's been a number of improvements. So first and foremost, we want to change to a conversation view. This is the best way to view conversations. At the moment, these conversations are being sorted by newest first. Now, some of the changes is we now have most participants first. So if we pick that, we can see this group chat has got the most participants. Personally, my preference is always to go for the highest message call count first. And one of the changes that I want to show you is if we select a conversation, we know that that thread then appears in the right hand side of the viewing screen. And of course, we can sort on that as well. We can just choose to view attachments, and we can sort by oldest first or newest first. Now, one of the great functions within XAMN is the ability to export that chat as a PDF, and then it will output as a PDF exactly how it is viewed here on screen. Now, what we can do, and one of the ways that XAMN has been improved, is if we right click, we can tag the entire conversation. But we may want to tag several of these conversations, and now if you just hold shift down, you can see that we can select as many as we want. And what we can do is we can use the handy export to PDF, and these will all be exported as separate PDF files, making the end reviewer have a far easier time at reviewing the conversations because they're as separate PDFs. We hope that this has been an enjoyable MSAB Monday and you've learned a new trick for working with conversations within XAMN. We hope to see you again next week. Thank you for joining us here on MSAB Monday.